The first part asks for the domain, and the domain is the set of x values that make it defined. So what you want to look for are the x values that get you in trouble. And you have a fraction, and you can't have 0 in the denominator. So that means you've got x and x plus 6. Let's figure out what values make it 0, and that would be x equals 0 or x equals -6. So you can't, the domain is all real numbers except for it can't be 0 and it can't be -6. Your y-intercepts, if you notice, I went on and factored this. The y-intercepts are, you have to let x equals 0 to find your y-intercepts. And if I let x be 0, I'm going to substitute in the original problem. And that gives me y equals 0 squared plus 0 minus 110 over 0 squared plus 6 times 0. And that's undefined, so there's no x, there's no y-intercepts. And part C says find the x-intercepts. To find your x-intercepts, you let y equals 0. So you got 0 equals x plus 11 times x minus 10 over x times x plus 6. And the only way a fraction can equal 0 is if the numerator equals 0. So that means your x-intercepts are x equals a -11 or x equals 10.